That's my phone.
Fuck, look, I'm helping the maintenance.
Well,
My shoulder's so fucking.
good morning, guys. Sorry, I'm just paying some bills right now. Getting these bills done. Well, we'll turn on the car real quick. Damn, I still feel tired. Well, my legs feel beat up, so. Luckily, I was able to get up this morning. Leg day yesterday was a fucking bitch. But, let's get it. Well, we'll wash our cups so we can make our protein shakes. Our cups are right here. I'm gonna go and make the protein shakes real quick.
Yeah, I'm looking. Which channel?
I was watching the
Which channel?
fuck up. Why don't you shake this right?
Huh?
Why don't you shake this right?
Huh? Why didn't you shoot that shit?
You guys believe that shit, guys? One job. Alrighty, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I'm in a good mood right now because, well, yeah, I'm in a good mood. Well, it looks like it wants to freaking rain today. Hopefully, it doesn't. But, yeah, the vlog just dropped. New vlog just dropped. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm currently here at the job site already, just waiting for the boss man to show up. But as always, gotta eat my morning fruit. Gotta eat an orange, and I'm probably gonna munch on some almonds that I bought yesterday. And yeah, that's about it, man. But yeah, it's currently 6:44 already, which is crazy. I feel like time went by a little quick this morning. Probably because I did get up a little late than I usually do. Damn, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, it's Friday. That's a good thing too. It's Friday, but we're definitely gonna go live Saturday to live stream the Alex Pereira fight, the UFC fight, because that fight is gonna be legendary. That's gonna be a good fight. Who you guys going for, Alex or I forget the other dude's name? Fuck, I can't pronounce it either. I'm bad at pronouncing his name. But yeah, who you guys going for down in the comments? Let me know. But I'm currently thinking of what we can make for food. I was telling Xzendo we can make some asada or something. I haven't had some tacos in a minute. But I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm about to eat this, my almonds, wait for the boss man, see what happens. I guess I'll see you guys once it's lunchtime. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. What is up, guys? It's your boy. It's currently 11:34, and I'm heading to the next job site. We got done pretty early on the first one. It's barely 11, like I said. It's a whole school out right now. 11:30. So yeah, too early to leave right now, man. So I'm gonna go over here, help out a different crew, put in some more hours. You know what I'm saying? Then after that, go pick up Xzendo, see where the fuck he's at. But yeah, so far today's been pretty it's been pretty cool. not much work. A lot of it was pretty easy, you know, kind of just just digging and stuff, making holes and shit. Yeah, work's been a little slow recently, but it's starting to pick up. You know, luckily it's starting to pick up. The weather's getting better, so that means more work, which is good, which means more hours. hours means more pay. But yeah, I'm about to head to this job site and I'm gonna have lunch. Once I get there, I'm gonna have lunch and then get down and help those dudes out because I have not eaten yet. Oh, I was so happy it's Friday already, man. I ain't gonna lie, this week kind of got me fucked up when it came to the weather. Getting back into, you know, the gym, getting more active, you know what I'm saying? My body definitely, I feel like I needed it. I feel like I was slacking big time. But I'm definitely beat. I feel beat up. But, you know, it is what it is, man. We just gotta keep on working hard. Alrighty, guys. Just made it to the job site and had my thing heating up, my food. So, let's eat. Let's fucking eat and see how warm this is. I don't think it's that warm yet. It didn't take that much, so. Oh, yeah, you guys can hear that? Nice. But yeah, we made some beef with egg mixed together. Pretty quick and simple this morning, you know. But yeah, let me set 30 seconds. 30 minutes on the clock. I also got myself my almonds that I can munch on. And I got myself some zero sugar gelatins. Also got myself another orange, which I might save that for a little later. But yeah, let's eat. It looks like we're one of like some rich houses. Looks like there's what's it call it? It's like a golf course all the way in the back. I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna try to record once I'm done here. Try to get some footage so you guys can see it. Looks pretty cool. These houses are probably expensive as fuck.
Shitty hour, guy.
Alright, guys. So you're gonna order now? Huh? See or no? Wait, hurry the fuck up because I gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. Alright, guys. Well, let's go to the gym. Solo day today. It is what it is. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Xzendo ended up saying today, I guess he's too tired or whatever. He didn't feel like going, so it's a solo day today. It is what it is. We're still gonna have a good workout. And yeah, I just wanted to make the food to have it ready. So by the time I get home, the food should be ready. So you guys might not see. Yeah, so by the time I get home from the gym, you guys should hopefully have the food ready. If not, beat his ass up. But yeah, they ended up sending him today to go help a different company out. So I guess he's pretty tired. But today we're heading back, so I'm gonna try to get a good pump. In. I'm really focused more on my back and my legs this time. I feel like those are the two main body parts that I wanna, you know, get better at working out. And because I really want a big back and some thick ass legs, you know. I think that shit be fucking crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys. I'm gonna try to record while I'm in there. If not, well, I'll see you guys once I make it back home.
What's up, beaners? What up, guys? Buddha told me to record. We're making fucking chicken. Alright, we're making some lemon pepper chicken hamburguesas. I just took out the chicken out the bag right now. I'm already preheating the air fryer. So I'm gonna throw some pepper on the chicken as well. Buddha just throws the lemon pepper. So I'm pretty sure this already has pepper. So I guess I don't need to throw it then. Boom, there we go. Cut the chicken. There it is. Chicken cut. Chicken is cut. The cut is chicken. Oh, we don't have a fucking stand for this, so it's kind of hard to position this hoe. Yes, and I did get a new haircut. Throw these hoes on here. Throw them on here, you know. We'll go 1, 2. 3. Damn, that shit's sizzling. 4. 5. But also says $3.90 for 15 minutes. Boom. And I'll check on it I'll put 16 minutes. So I'm gonna check on it in 12 minutes, flip them. Make sure they're nice and brown on both sides. Usually just leave it in there, but I'm gonna flip them.
Alright guys, I just made it home. Xzendo, but I have the food ready. I'm nice. Sleeping outside. Fuck you doing, bitch? Is my food ready? Fuck the ketchup. Where's my food? What do we have here? What do we have here? Hey, bro, I wanted those shit by hand, not by fucking air fryer, bitch. Did you even record?
Huh? Yeah, it's on my record.
Dude, I'm gonna fuck this shit up. It's like you're so hard you're gonna forget your own name.
Does it look like I got the fucking camera around here?
Bro, you're a piece of shit.
Beaner. Oh, beaner.
Can't believe this guy.
Oh, beaner.
Can't believe this guy skipping the fucking gym because he's tired. That was just another excuse of being a bitch. Next time, instead of saying I'm tired, just say I'm a bitch, alright? Alright, don't come at me with the I'm tired, I'm a bitch, alright? Yeah. So guys, look at these lollipops that we found. There's popsicle made sugar-free lollipops. Each lollipop is 15 calories. So if you're craving some ice cream, look at that. Go get yourself some of these right here.
Where mine at? Oh, there's 3 slices de chicken. So you're gonna have to double one up. So once I double.
Sounds good. More chicken means more protein. More protein means more gains. Oh, hell of people today.
Yeah.
When I got there wasn't anybody. And then motherfuckers started flooding in. I was like, holy shit. Give me a good time.
Good thing I didn't go. Wow.
They made all this lettuce?
Huh?
This is ours?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, why you put so much?
I literally the rest of it. No, Buddha.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat anymore. I don't fucking eat anymore.
Oh, boy, look at the lettuce was.
Oh, look.
I enjoyed one of his fucking sliders, man. Yeah, I learned from my past mistakes. That's why I had it on the side. And that's why I got bigger plates too, bro. I even said in the other camera, I'll get bigger plates because half of the time they fall off on the other ones.
Where the fuck's the ketchup at?
I don't know. That's what I told you, bro. Well, there's barbecue right there. Or honey mustard.
Putas mamadas, ¿no? Putas mamadas a la verga. Look at this shit.
Don't worry, bro. I learned from my past mistakes. That's why I left them on the side.
And you didn't tell me.
Hey, you seen me drop them before, bro.
Look at that shit, guys. I came back to a home cooked hamburger. See how good he did without me. Solid 2 out of 10.
That's right.
Missing something.
Potatoes.
I'm making the pickles, onions, tomatoes.
I throw onion powder. So I don't know what you're talking about, the onion. But that was just an episode. Because we lived like halfway through. Yeah, I was like, what the
Right, I
fuck?
went in the fucking boat.
Yeah. They're literally in the casino.
Smart.